Come on, get your split on. Blueline Rock Grizzly. Blueline Rock Grizzly. Come on, get your split on. Give you something to stand on. Give you something to believe. Give you high performance. Give you the recipe.
Hey guys, this is David over at Blueline Grizzly. We are out here in northern Arizona with my good friend Robert. Robert, introduce yourself, please.
Hello, this is Robert with the Howard Mesa Materials pit in northern Arizona.
Right on, man. So Howard, this is your number 3 Blueline Rock Grizzly. Please tell the people why in the world you would have 3 of them.
We bought our first one a couple years ago.
Okay.
And tried it out. They're exceptionally tough. They do a lot of material handling, high volume. The one we have are the 6-7 yarders, and we have a bigger loader. We just got delivery of our brand new 7-8 yard Monster Grizzly 10-2. It'll do. I'm hoping we get just a massive amount of material screened through this monster.
Well, this huge pile literally only took you a minute or two. What's the secret here to?
The secret to getting a good is just take it easy.
Yeah.
When you go up, don't just dump the rock on there. Just gradually tip it in, and you get a better product on the back end. Because this is a small screen; it's a 210. And we have 3 different sizes. We have a 10-3 on the end on there, and now we have our 10-2.
Right. Okay, so out of all these Grizzlies that you've been working with, what's your favorite feature that you find useful?
The favorite feature that I like is they do a lot of material handling, but it's a cleaning feature.
The self-cleaning.
The self-cleaning deck. You just go in there, gently nudge those bars.
Yeah.
It cleans the deck. You just keep going. You don't have to keep pushing the front and redoing it. You just go.
I've seen some footage and videos of like guys with their sledgehammers trying to knock out each one of those boulders. It's very dangerous.
To me, in my personal opinion, that's why I've got 3 now. It's the best rock grizzly we've ever used. Ever.
I mean, you heard it yourself, guys. Get yourself a Blueline Rock Grizzly if you're serious about making some serious production in an efficient way and in a safe way. So thank you very much for your business. Robert was saying that he might pick up another one that's even bigger, right?
Yeah, we're probably going to get 1 or 2 more. But another feature I like is they will handle big, heavy basalt material, and we've never damaged one yet, ever.
Well,
but we're not tough on them. We run them like a normal operation.
Absolutely.
But they're just tough. They're just super tough.
Well, thank you again. We appreciate it.
You're very welcome,
much, Robert. We'll see you for the next one, and thank you guys for watching. Take care now.
Blueline Rock Grizzly. Blueline Rock Grizzly. Come on, get your split on. No plugging and aggravation.